Ready to unleash the power of automation directly within Telegram? First, head over to Zapier and create a news app. This is where the magic begins. Search for Telegram bot as your trigger app. Select new message as the trigger. This tells Zapier to listen for any new messages sent to your bot. You'll need to connect your Telegram bot account here if you haven't already. Create one using BotFather within Telegram. Just search for BotFather in Telegram. Follow the instructions to create a new bot and copy the API token provided. Paste that API token into Zapier to connect your bot. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier successfully connected. Now, for the action. This is where the magic comes in. Search for the specific app or service you want to integrate with Telegram. If it's not directly available, consider using a webhook step to connect. Let's say you want to add the Telegram message to a Google Sheet. Select Google Sheets as the action and choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use now. Map the data from the Telegram message to the appropriate columns in your sheet. This is where you tell Zapier what information from the Telegram message to put where in the sheet. Once you've mapped all the fields, test the action to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever someone sends a message to your Telegram bot, Zapier will automatically send that information to your chosen app or service, creating a seamless automated workflow.